everybody. I'm Sandy Sandler and I'm the creator of the Bowdabra. We're going to fold this in half. So now what I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra scrunchie. So this is 42 inches of our Bowdabra scrunchie ribbon. And I'm just going to scrunch this down in here. And now you can, as you hear it, you can understand why I call it our scrunchy ribbon. And then what I'm going to do is just put these in here. So now I'm going to scrunch all this in here. Now this is going to be our cute little spider headband for Halloween. I guess I should move the Bowdabra out of the way. Okay, if I could tie a knot, all this gold is getting me confused. Okay, there we go. And then what I'm going to do is take this and tie it onto my headband. I tie it right where this seam is. I'm going to just tie a knot, and I'm going to tie the knot right underneath the bow. There's my cute little spider. What do you guys think? Isn't that fun for a Halloween costume? So, and I love how the little tubular just kind of scooch around or squiggle around. So it's much more friendly than a real spider.